How to enable Face Unlock on Android phones. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can enable Face Unlock on your Android devices. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So before you want to enable or before you try to enable Face Unlock in your Android devices, make sure that Face Unlock is available. You will need to make sure that the Face ID is available on your Android devices. So you can check that out on your device's specs, and you can go out online and find it out. So if you've already done that and now you want to enable it, first you will need to head over to your settings. So locate the settings app and then open it up. After you open it up, scroll down till you find security and privacy. Open security and privacy. And after you do that, you'll find the security section where you'll find device unlock. Tap on device unlock. And after you're there, you'll find the Face Unlock option. So tap on Face Unlock and start setting up your Face ID. So enter out your PIN. And after you do that, you will need to start with the Face Unlock. So yeah, as it says right here, it will be stored locally on this device and you can remove it anytime. So simply tap on the setup button down below and move ahead as it prompts and follow the instructions given. After doing that, your Face Unlock should start working on your Android device. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.